Jace.
David? What are you doing here?
Did you shave abs into your stomach? That is the fattest fucking six-pack I've ever seen. You're probably fucked up, huh?
Some little fuzz in there?
Look at
No,
that
two
thing.
fingers, don't lose it.
Wow.
That took me all day.
Oh! You're on a diet?
Yeah.
What kind?
A low carb diet.
You said it was no carb.
No, it's a low carb diet.
Low carb.
Low, like L-E-W, low carb.
That's not.
L-E-W, low carb.
How's that funny?
Yeah, show us how much weight you've lost.
Yeah.
I mean, sorry, I laughed.
She's doing it again! Oh my god! She's doing it again!
Guys, we just pulled up next to a guy giving a blowjob. And he's driving away really quick.
Getting a blowjob.
Huh?
Getting a blowjob.
What did I say?
You confused it with you, what you do.
What did I say giving a blowjob? Here's our game today. You get one bottle flip. You miss it, you get shot. You get it, you get $1,000.
How's it, huh?
All right, in 3, 2, 1. In 3, 2, 1. Oh shit.
A fresh can of CO2, dude.
Good luck. I won't.
He's too worried about running away.
Here we go. Oh my god. Oh! Congratulations. Here you go, baby. I had a rough night yesterday, Heath.
Oh yeah? Lonely?
No, I'm sick.
Yeah. Sick of being lonely?
No.
Jesus, you must really like that painting, huh? So you're into Jason Momoa, huh?
Yeah.
That one's not going in.
Guys, this is hands down the stupidest friend I have right here. Look at this dumbass.
Did you know that demon worked for me 3 times?
Why 3 different times?
Because I fired him 2 times.
I literally left on the spot for all my jobs. That's called a job.
What the fuck does that even mean?
He just quit.
Like I just,
He just walked away.
This is demon.
I didn't want to work
Okay,
there,
guys.
so I left.
See you later.
Guys, we're surprised at Kristen for her birthday. Zayden, look, they made a sign for your career. Holy shit, look at that.
That's so sad.
But you also understand that you're different, and that makes you.
Oh my god, I found a 24-hour Taco Bell. It's on Magnolia and Colfax.
Zayden, look up.
Oh my god, we're here. Oh my god.
Guys,
No way. No way.
Hi, how are you doing? Good. I'll do number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No. Look at this. 2 meatheads and a meatball. We got this big ass truck. Heath driving it. We got 4 naked boys. We got a bunch of oil. And we got a homemade slip and slide. Let's roll, baby. Oh yeah. There we go. You ready to go?